Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js a library which is a canvas drawing app library kind of. You can actually have a canvas right here where you can actually draw something onto the canvas. You can see we also have various colors to choose from. You can change the color here to any color of your choice. And the nice thing about this library is that it is very easy to implement. You can also export this canvas to a PNG image file. As soon as you click this button, you will see all your drawing has been saved in a PNG file. So it specifically works with the React.js application. So there is a package here. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, React Canvas Paint. So this is actually a React drawing library. The command is very simple. Simply execute this command to install this package, and it's a fairly new package. And now to get started here, I will simply make a simple functional component. And first of all, we will require this package using the import statement. So import React Canvas Paint, which will be coming from this package React Canvas Paint. And we also need to import the CSS file of this package as well, React Canvas Paint dist index.css. So in this easy way, using these two import statements, you first of all import this package. And now to use this package, first of all, we need to declare some state variables. So right here, we declare some state variables. First of all, for image data, for storing the data of the image, we will use this useState variable, which will be initially be null. Secondly, you will be declaring a canvas reference variable. For this, we'll be using the useRef hook. Initial value will again be null. So we have just declared these two variables. First of all, for storing the data of the image, and secondly, we have stored a reference. So these are the two variables that we declared for the application. Now coming back to the JSX, we need to align everything in the center position. So here we will text align to center, and we will just give it a margin top of 20 pixel, and inside this we will actually have a React drawing app, and here we will actually allow the user to draw something in the canvas. So here we will be attaching this canvas reference variable that we declared right here. So we are directly attaching it to this div element, and right here we will be using this component, which is the React Canvas Paint component. As you can see, we are importing this package right here at the top, and now we are using this package component. So this takes some properties here. So here you can control the width. Let's suppose the width of the canvas is 500, the height is also 500. And it also has some callback function. So whenever you draw something on the canvas, this callback function will execute. So here we are binding it this handle draw function. So now we just need to define this function. So whenever we draw something onto the canvas, this function will execute holding the data. So right here we will set image data to the actual data which is coming. So right here we are using this function of the hook. So it also takes colors here. You can basically give choices to the user to choose from different colors. So here we can provide hexadecimal code here for each color right here, and then we can even provide stroke width. So let's suppose I hard code this value to 5. So if you refresh your application, guys, so now what you will see a canvas right here, 500 by 500, and then we have a set of colors to choose from. So the user can click any individual color and the color will change. And now we can actually add a button so that we can export this canvas to an actual image file. So we can actually add a button right here at the bottom side, export to PNG. So once we click this button, we will execute this function export to PNG. So now this canvas will be exported to image file. So for doing this, we can actually add a function right here. right in this function we are actually taking the reference of the canvas by query selector, and then we are converting this to base64 URL, this function, and downloading the image as an attachment. So now what happens if you draw anything in the canvas? Now click the button, you will see your image will be downloaded. This is your actual PNG image. So you can use this package guys in React.js, which is a canvas drawing app. You can export your canvas to an image file as well. So very good package, very easy to get started. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.